Question 10 says, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So they played a total of 20 matches, and of these matches, they won 25% of those matches. So we have to find out how many matches did they win. So very, very simple question. So the total number of matches is 20. The total number of matches which they played is 20. The percentage of matches that they won is given as 25%. Okay, so now we have to find the number of matches won. So we are given the percentage of matches won. We have to find the absolute number of matches won, and this will simply be 25% of 20. So we simply have to calculate 25% of 20, and this will be 25 by 100 into 20, correct? And now 100 by 25 is 4 and 20 by 4 is 5. So we obtain the number of matches won as 5. So the answer to this question is that the cricket team won a total of 5 matches. And this completes question number 10.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.